As a computer science student, are you struggling to break into the world of competitive programming and do not know how to get started? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step roadmap to begin your competitive programming journey and become a powerful programmer as well as a problem solver. Competitive programming is for anyone who loves to solve problems and wants to sharpen their coding skills. Whether you're a student, a software engineer, or someone who is preparing for a technical interviews, the competitive programming is going to give you an extra edge. So what exactly you need to know to get started with the competitive programming? The best place is to get started with C++ or Java. Though Java is a great choice, but I personally recommend C++ because of its efficiency and powerful features, as well as the STL, which is known as the standard template library. However, I always believe that language is just a tool. The real magic is basically in how you apply these concepts. Now, once you're comfortable with C++ basics like loops, arrays, general data structures, you want to pick up coding platforms like LeetCode, CodeChef, HackerEarth, HackerRank, depending upon your choice. Now, once you choose your platform, now you should become comfortable on the platform by solving 20 to 30 problem statements. And as soon as you become comfortable, you should directly jump into the coding contests. I recommend do not wait to master all the concepts of data structures or algorithms. You just start attempting the coding contest. This will help you boost your confidence. Now, what is a coding contest? Now, coding contests can be of two types, short-term or long-term. Short-term coding contests are of 2 to 4 hours. Long-term are generally 2 weeks or a month, depending upon which platform you are trying to compete on the coding contest. Now, every coding contest may have 4 to 6 questions. While participating in the coding contest, even if you solve one single problem, don't worry. You are basically learning how to compete in a stipulated time, and that will help you to prepare for the real coding rounds during your interview process, or even in the world level competitions like Facebook Hacker Cup, ICPC, etc. Now, you need to understand one thing. The deliberate practice is very important in competitive programming. The more problems you solve, the better you are going to get on solving the problems. But here is one key I want to share with you. Whenever you start solving a problem, do not directly jump into writing code. Just take pen and paper and solve the problem on that. Now, why I'm saying it, it will help you have a clarity on the problem, as well as you will learn how to solve a problem in a structured way. And in long run, it will eventually help you save time and reduce the errors while submitting your code. Once the contest is over, don't just move on. Just try to finish solving the problems which you were not able to solve previously. Best part is read the editorials as well as look at the code which was submitted by other participants. This is going to really help you to learn quickly from others' code. And that is what really sharpens your skill and sets you apart. And lastly, one of the most important thing, you should create a separate GitHub repository for these codes. Whatever the problem you solve, either during the practice or during the coding contest, you should upload your code in this dedicated repository, and the code which you upload should be well documented. In the start, it might look like an overhead for you, but in the long run, it is going to help you build assets for your portfolio, so that whenever you go and sit for the interviews, you should be directly able to share the link of your GitHub repository and showcase your work on the spot. And personally, I always believe that there is no shortcut in competitive programming. And mind it, it requires a deliberated hard practice. But if you stick to it, you will become highly efficient and powerful programmer, and it will definitely pay you off in your career. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for listening to me. My name is Anupinder Singh, a software developer turned university professor and now a technical trainer. And before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. This motivates me to create more videos like this.